Hi coders, welcome back to my channel Code with Leaky. If you're a student, developer, or someone interested in technology, this new series is especially for you. We're going to talk about one simple question. Why should we participate in hackathons? Many students think, hackathons are only for experts. I don't know coding. I'm just a beginner. What if I lose? If you've ever had these thoughts, then this video is definitely for you. So let's get started.
What is a hackathon? A hackathon is an event where people come together to solve real-world problems by building creative and innovative solutions within a limited amount of time. Hackathons can last anywhere from a few hours to several days. You don't just write code, you brainstorm ideas, collaborate with others, learn new technologies, and create something meaningful. The goal isn't just to win, it's to learn, innovate, and grow. Why should you participate in a hackathon? 1. Learn by building. One of the biggest advantages of a hackathon is hands-on learning. Instead of only watching tutorials or reading books, you actually build a real project. This helps you understand concepts much better and improves your practical skills. 2. Improve your technical skills. Hackathons encourage you to explore new technologies. Whether it's artificial intelligence, web development, cloud computing, mobile apps, or cybersecurity, you'll gain experience by working on real challenges. Even if you're new to these technologies, you'll learn a lot during the event. 3. Build an impressive portfolio. Every project you create during a hackathon can be added to your portfolio and GitHub profile. These projects demonstrate your skills to recruiters and can make your resume stand out when applying for internships or jobs. 4. Develop problem-solving skills. Hackathons are centered around solving real-world problems. You'll learn how to analyze challenges, think creatively, and develop practical solutions within a limited time. These are valuable skills in every career. 5. Improve teamwork and communication. Most hackathons are team-based. You'll collaborate with people from different backgrounds, share ideas, divide responsibilities, and work toward a common goal. You'll also improve your communication and presentation skills by explaining your project to judges and mentors. 6. Expand your network. Hackathons give you the opportunity to meet students, developers, mentors, startup founders, and industry professionals. Networking can lead to internships, collaborations, mentorship, and even future job opportunities.
More than competitions. They are opportunities to learn, build, collaborate, and discover your potential. Whether you win or not, you'll gain new skills, make new friends, expand your network, and create projects that you can be proud of. So, if you've been waiting for the perfect time to join a hackathon, this is your sign. Take the leap, challenge yourself, and start your journey today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video, comment below if you've ever participated in a hackathon, or if you're planning to join your first one. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on technology, AI, hackathons, coding, and career growth. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep growing.